is up. All right, so I don't know where my other GoPro batteries are, but dang it, I don't know where they are. So hopefully I got enough camera for this video, but we are going for a drive in the Blazer. Yeah, we're in the Blazer. Look, got the seats rolled back down there because had to get to the back bike, or what is it, the windshield back there is a little, likes to rattle, so I had to put some stuff in the windshield, but, or the rear window. Anyways, it already fell out, so it's probably gonna be bouncy. But if you haven't seen some of the last videos, I took this bad boy out. Oh, we're still in Fort. Oh, I gotta take it out. So we took it up into the hills, and we kind of had some issues with the tire. So we fixed that. I got some new tires, actually, so stay tuned. I'm sure some of y'all have seen which tires we've actually got, but I think it's still a little bouncy, but it's a lot better with these tires than the old tires. They're a lot louder, but stay tuned. I'm gonna show you these tires. I'm gonna drive over to the mechanic's house real quick, but I'm gonna get some footage for you. Oh yeah! All right, so I stopped off. I had a chat with the mechanic. There was a few things I had to discuss with him, but we've got some new tires for the Blazer. Yeah! I didn't want to, but I was kind of forced to buy them. So anyways, we got them.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change.
All right, there she is. I should have maybe went with the 18s, but they still look pretty good. So anyways, there they are. We've got the 38.5 by 15 by 15 Super Swamper Boggers. Yeah, that's right. Woo-wee. Uh-oh. Sorry, my camera's, what's going on here? My camera's falling off the thing here, so I gotta kind of, all right, here we go. So, Super Swamper Boggers. I think that just looks so good on these old Chevys. For some reason, if there was a specific tire for a specific truck, I think these Super Swamper Boggers fit perfectly with any square body. I don't know. What do you think? What are your thoughts? Like I said, I was gonna go with the shocks next. I still need to get some shocks, but I blew a tire and I had to do it. I had no other choice. I didn't have any spares. The other ones were old and rotten. But yeah, that's it. Not much of a video today, but I just wanted to show you how good this thing looks. So you can't deny it. It looks so good. Yeah. It was pretty fun for the tire shop, I bet, putting these on. Big shout out to Steve with the Provo Big O Tires and his crew of men there. I mean, they were probably 10 guys there trying to get all these tires. Sometimes they had to have 2-3 guys trying to get these tires up on the tire machine, and they had to seat all the beads with starting fluid. and poof, big old fire. But it works. Just needed some air, some ether or something. You can seat those tires out on the trails, but they had to do it at the tire shop because their little gun, you know, their little air gun thing, air blaster stuff, that wasn't even cutting it. So anyways, big shout out to Steve. Appreciate Steve a lot for helping me out with all my tire stuff. I did, however, order these tires off of Amazon, but I took them to Steve at the Provo Big O Tires, and he installed them for me. I just took the tires down and had him swap them out, but they did a good job, and once again, I appreciate those guys a lot. So anyways, stay tuned. Now we've got it registered. We're gonna be taking this thing more places now because these tires are a lot smoother ride. They took out some of that bouncing. I still need to get the shocks. I think that'll help a little bit. But as far as the you know, bouncing and the roughness on the main road, field tires were kind of doing it. I also noticed a big difference when we put the axles in. So when we put the axles in, that helped a lot as well. There was just still some tire issues. So anyways, that's all fixed. So yeah, smile every morning. So here is the Suburban versus the Blazer. This has got more left on it, but look at the tires. So here we've got these brand new Super Swampers. Right here we've got these old crusted out mud terrains that hopefully will last me a little while longer, because I don't want to spend that much money on those tires, but we're gonna have to buy some new tires here soon. These ones are kind of old, weather rotted. They're on bead locks. Hopefully they'll last us one more trip to Moab, and then maybe I'll go ahead and purchase some other ones. But they're both the same size, 38s. You can see how much difference of a lift this has got.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Wait.